Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, we're looking at Bitcoin here on the hourly chart. Not a whole lot has really been going on with Bitcoin. We've just been seeing this continuous consolidation, the sideways trading, but we do have Bitcoin forming within this triangular pattern, and we're really just trying to figure out, what is this? What is going on with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to have a breakout, or is it going to be a fake out? Really, the question is, are we within a wave 4, or are we within a completely different wave structure that can have some possibilities for a move to the upside here? Well, now I'm thinking we have a wave 4 to the downside is what I'm thinking that we're currently in right now. But there's, of course, no confirmation because the price does not tell us anything other than the fact that that it's either A or B. What we can look at here is as we've come down with all this FTX drama, and the price of Bitcoin has really, come down significantly. Found a new 52-week low. If we were going off of a 5-wave count to the downside, to find the most attractive waves is what I've been trying to do within this whole series here, talking about the downfall from FTX, is looking at the move going from Bitcoin going down from that moment there on November 4th, coming down within a wave 1, going up in a wave 2, and then this whole drop here that had taken Bitcoin down to its newest 52-week low, where it had reached a price that was around $15,500. That's what I'm calling the wave 3, and then we made a move that was within the 50% of the entire Fibonacci level here, from starting from the wave 1 all the way down to the wave 3. The wave 4 had gone up close to that 50% Fibonacci level range, and then I'm saying that the wave 5 at some point is going to come down below the wave 3. Now, what we're seeing here, though, we're seeing this possible wave 4. I want to make sure that I see possible wave 4 extending a bit here within the time that it's going to take to come down at some point. So, of course, we're measuring within the price drop. We're not really measuring the length of this as being how long can time go on here before the wave 5 actually happens, because we know that could be, who knows exactly what that's going to be. But the consolidation here, let's just try to figure out something to call this, because some people want to say that we reached the bottom, and they're saying that we've had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, and we're within that possible wave 3 right now to the upside. But the market's not telling us that it wants to have a breakout with Bitcoin. The market's telling us that there's, in my opinion, it's just telling us that there's a lot of unknown. There's a lot of fear, out there that's really preventing Bitcoin from having this breakout. So what we're seeing right now within this wave 4 is we're just seeing the simple corrective waves coming in right now. So we have an A wave, we have a B wave, and we're within that C wave right now. So if this even has a move to the upside, it's still, in my opinion, going to still come down and still all be part of that wave 4, in my opinion. And then we will see it go up in that C wave. And then from that point, we'll have that wave 5 come down, is what I'm thinking. I don't mean to sound bearish, of course. You guys know I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but this is just the way that the market is right now, in my opinion. This is just because everybody's thought of crypto right now is not very good, and crypto hasn't had a very good 2022. It had a very good 2021. 2022 has not been that good for crypto. There's been so many bad actors, with the Terra Luna, and then of course FTX and BlockFi, and who knows who's next. And that's the fear that I have. Who knows who's next? And we're probably going to be hearing about who's next here more than likely soon, I'm fearing. And that's where I think that wave 5 will have a bit more of a run. So the most recent 52-week low that we got with Bitcoin at $15,500, I think that we're going to be going actually lower than that, of course, here soon within the wave 5. So I'm thinking that Bitcoin's price is going to go somewhere within the range of $14,000 or $13,000, which I've told you guys. And that's just by looking at the Fibonacci levels starting from the wave 4 down, using the same Fibonacci retracement that we have here. So I'm thinking still one more move to the downside, even if we do see a nice little breakout with Bitcoin from this pattern, that it's still got that one more leg down, in my opinion. And we'll see it go within that range there between the price of $14,000 and $13,000. And I'm so sorry to everybody for sounding so bearish on Bitcoin. You guys know I just wouldn't usually do that with any other circumstance before, but just to look at Bitcoin from how everything has been going on the daily chart here, you can see that it's just been bearish since basically we reached that all-time high back in November of 2021. So maybe we'll have a little bit better month of crypto in the month of December. Hopefully we can get all this done here in November. We can say it was just a complete bearish year for crypto, and then at some point in 2023 we'll see crypto turn around and things hopefully go back up. No guarantees with that. I'm saying hopefully, of course. Now, in some Bitcoin news, the Bitcoin miner hash price has declined to a new all-time low, and this is due to one, of course, the price of Bitcoin coming down, but there's still a lot of miners out there in the game, and they're all mining, and there's just a set amount of Bitcoin, of course, that can be mined at a time. So due to that reason, the amount of return that each miner is getting is just significantly less right now. Most likely, even for the most part, even not even being worth it, I would say. But many miners are still doing it in anticipation that the price of Bitcoin, of course, would be going back up here eventually. Now, the problem though with mining Bitcoin recently is that Ethereum switched over to proof of stake. That has ended up putting all those Ethereum miners that were out there switching over and now jumping into mining Bitcoin as well, and other altcoins and such. And so this creates even more competition, which then cuts the amount of returns that the Bitcoin miners were once getting, and makes it even less. And then you throw on the significantly lower price of Bitcoin, then that really changes things for everybody. So this is something that hopefully we'll see some sort of adjustment at some point. If we were to see a change within the hash rate of Bitcoin, that could be bullish for Bitcoin miners, and even something that would be better for protecting the environment, then that would be a very bullish thing for crypto. That'd be very bullish for Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin still has those issues as well that it's dealing with. It was very, very good for Ethereum to switch, but it's completely different for Bitcoin. And so there's just a lot of competition there still with Bitcoin mining. And it's more than likely only going to increase over time. But anyways, with that being said, though, I'd like to hear what you guys got to say about Bitcoin. Do you think that Bitcoin has one more move to the downside within a leg 5 to a price between 14,000, 13,000? I would like to know. Or do you think that, we've already seen the bottom with Bitcoin, it's going to be going up, or it's even going to be going down even lower than $13,000? I'd like to know whatever you guys think could be the possibility with that. And with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next one.